Welcome back again. Here we are today in the Tesla showroom. We are here today with the latest Model X. Model X is 2024 with the sliding door, the top quality models. So, this is honor for us to provide you the review of this electric vehicles because this is the latest branded new models. So we are going to discuss about this car, so stay with us. We will go inside to check and start some review to discuss about this car. At this point I have to record my sounds because the previous sounds and the voice was not clear, so I have to record my voice again in here and to provide my face as well. Otherwise the AI system and the YouTube policy is very strict. They can make easy any issues for us. So go back to discuss about the Tesla.
So let's get it started about this car. It's Tesla X. It's model 2024 and Model X is belong to the RRIM models because we describe about this is still. So get it started. The first controller systems, the charging, mentioned about the charging wipers and the controllable other things connecting to the windows. So this is all things connecting on one screen. You can reduce the brightness of the display. Also the display in here you can make it more bright, and you can reduce also the brightness. Also folding mirrors. Look at this is auto folding system. When you share back locations and auto window folding is just like you can do up and down, back to here. You will do trunks. So open trunks and passenger window. Look at this is auto passenger window is getting through. Okay. Look at it. When you press this, look at this kind of passenger size, and the drive mode in here. And this is drive mode. Look at that, the drive mode. You can make it close it up and down. This is here. So all the three suspension sides, the drive mode, and the trunks is also can open up and down. Can reduce. And so the car resistance mention is here. All the mirrors, the side mirror, up and down. You can adjust from here. You can reduce up and down from here, and also you can do the steering wheels from here. So adjust the steering wheel in here, right and left. Also right and left, so you can just test all the detail in here. Okay, that's back. Okay, steerings. This steering you can adjust from here. Steering just steer on, up and out. So the steering will be moved from here, so you can do up and down. You have to select in here, then after you can do right click it, up and down. Look at this, the button in here. Okay, it's coming up. Look at this. Up. So this is auto control in here, because you should have to connect in here, otherwise this will be not working. So this is the thing in here. You understand? Look at indicator is working here. It's the indicator in the right and left. The indicator you see this. You have to select the indicator. That's the thing. Okay, it's working nicely. Back to here. About dimensions, many more things here. Recording is working. Look at the recording. Blue background and everything. Okay. Relax, brightness and lock, autopilot, chargings, dimension and charging, navigation strips, and like the previous models, they have the same function in here. Safety and others, but they have some advanced system. Okay, about the chassis number and all detail in here. So about the Wi-Fi, scroll down, Bluetooth, and they have the same functions like the drive mode in here, up and down, put in the parking, drive in the modes. So will be more details. You have to select the muse. This is the most. There is no any pattern. Are you looking here for the drive modes lever or something you want to connect in the drive mode? There is no any modes. So this is simple, like short review about this one. Okay, and it's back to here, and this is the system navigation is very high. When you zoom it, you want to zoom, this is you can zoom. Okay, you can reduce zoom, and also you can make it up and high. So it's a light in Murray. Back to the car detail. We have to switch, like this is for the doors, the slide doors and folding doors is open because they don't want to close because of the customer. They're getting more interesting. The cars look like this in this situation, so they really like to buy this car. Yeah, you understand what I mean? That's the thing. So back to here, I have to zoom it a little bit and capture the.
And here I have to capture back to the interior. That's the interior is too bright. It's because of the whiteness. The seat is white, fabrics very soft, specific in white interiors. That's the back of the LCD. So nothing like no rushes here on the dashboard. This is simple, only one display, and everything is located in one display. And the screen is located, everything is available here, so you can control all the system just by one screen. Look at this, the panoramic, the glasses is full panoramics, the top roof. So the thing is 60% is glasses. The sun visors you can reduce, you can increase and reduce. Like for the side you can folding back. So that was the short information related with the Model X. I hope you will like. Don't forget to leave your comments and remarks. Follow and subscribe our channels. Thanks for watching once again.